Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And after a very long time, OpenAI has again released an open source model that is GPT OSS 120 billion and a 20 billion version as well. So the model looks decent. I think the early reviews are okayish. And in this short video, I'm not explaining the details of the model, but how to use the model for free. So the model has been hosted independently on gpt-oss.com. So let's try out the model there first. This is the playground. I've shared the link in the comment section below. You can check it out. You can also change the reasoning level as well: high, medium, low. GPT-OSS 20 billion, GPT-OSS 120 billion, both the models are present. So let's try out how many R's are there in strawberry. I'm just showing you the inference. I'm not interested in the quality of the model, so that we will be doing separately. There are 3 R's in the word strawberry. Let's check out the thought. This is how the model is thinking. Pretty good. Let's start something else. Tell me about the unique features of India. Let's hit enter. The model has started thinking, and the speed is also quite nice. If you notice, India's uniqueness comes from where its natural, cultural, historical, and political elements. It is giving a table, and it's a long answer it is able to give. The speed is very fast, it's blazing fast, and you should definitely try it out. Now, let's try out another platform, that is Nvidia NVM, where the model is also open sourced here also, and you can access the model for free here as well. So let's chat with the model. As you can see, GPT-OSS 120B. You can even chat with the 20B model as well. So let me try out a question: which number is larger? And let's hit enter. It has started thinking. Reasoning completed. It's very fast, I would say. It is reasoning here. Let me try out another question. What do you think about death? Let's hit enter. I think this will take some time. For subjective questions, it is taking some time. And yes, we have an answer. The reasoning part is quite fast, to be very honest, for a 120 billion model. I think the early benchmarks are not looking great as shared on Reddit. That I would be covering separately. But this is how you can use GPT OSS 120B model for free on, first of all, gpt-oss.com, and then also on Nvidia NVM platform. If not, even on Hugging Face Spaces, the model is, as you can see, hosted, and you can chat with the model here also. So with this, it's a wrap. The model is open source, and it's a big turnover for OpenAI because they haven't been open sourcing anything for a very long time. So do try out the model, share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much.